Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you my Lego ceiling fan in my kitchen. This was actually my new townhouse that I have. I put this up for a setup because I think what it allows me to do is the lights came on. What it allows me to do is the kitchen fan. I can make it brighter. What it allows me to do is the fan on the kitchen really blows a little bit amount of air when it's on full power onto this area, not onto this area, because unfortunately most fans don't have in the kitchen of a new townhouse, so we put a Lego fan. As you see, these hooks, I put them right there with that homemade custom Lego mount onto motor, 2 gears, onto fan. I have the gear change mechanism, this one, and extra blades I store in the Lego in the drawer. If one blade breaks, then the rest have to be taken out. So anyway, I'm gonna show you how it is by turning it on. You use that blue lever, pull it down, and the light comes on. And you take your remote. It has 7 variable speeds. I'm going to set the camera down close to the fan so that I can show you the speeds of this fan. Okay, let's start off with speed 1. Oh, the canopy moves as soon as the motor starts. As you see, it's blowing a little bit amount of air. It does low speed doesn't blow a decent amount of air, but it gets the job done. Speed 2. Speed 2. As you see, canopy starts to shake a little bit, just because of the blades that are made of cotton. It's starting to blow a little bit amount of air now. Okay. Speed 3. Speed 3. The canopy shakes a little, as you see. Camera may not see, but the canopy shakes a little. But it gets the job done. Okay, starting to blow a good amount of air. Speed 4, medium. Okay, I'm starting to see a little bit of blades bent. Like blades have bent. I don't know what happened, but just the fan assembles and that's just it. Speed 5. Speed 5. Decent air. These blades are Lego blades I put. Speed 6. As you see, you hear the noise from the motor. It's definitely making the same noise. Speed 7, full speed. Okay. I'm going to show you the fan. As you see, the battery pack power module is connected to the receiver and then to fan. Alright, here's the fan now. It's blowing a decent amount of air. It could really not, like, when there is a power outage, you can use the battery powered fan as possible. And it gets great, decent air coming out of this. Let's try the reverse option. Make sure it's slow down there. Okay, speed 1, reverse mode, I think. Set the camera for down for now. Speed 1, reverse. It should kind of like suck in through the intake port, goes down the ceiling, goes down the wall. depending on the air circulation. Like, when smoke comes up and rises up, we definitely need to use this reverse mode to get the smoke out. Speed 2. Oh, there we go. Speed 2, a little bit of warbly. Speed 3, okay, speed 3, a little bit of wobbly. Speed 4, medium. Air will not come through this side, it will come from the outside. Okay, speed 5. Six. Oh, speed 5. A little bit of wobbly. 6. A little bit of wobbly. Speed 6, the whole entire body is shaking. 7. Oh, we got to. Oh, on speed 7, the whole fan wobbles because of the blades are getting bent. But there it is. There's a reverse speed, and that's pretty much it. So anyway, to turn the power switch off, hold the yellow bar, push it up. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video of my Lego fan in the kitchen, which its blades are completely bent. I need to rechange the angle of it. And also, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.